A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pavan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 8 of chapter 9 differential equation. So class, in previous lecture 7 I have discussed NCERT questions and exercise 9.6. I have solved some questions. So now today I will start with questions of NCERT exercise 9.6 remaining questions. So see here. Now question number 8 is 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx is equal to cot x dx, where x is greater than 0. This is the condition for x is not equal to 0. Here x is not equal to 0. So this is the given differential equation and we have to find out its a general solution. So see, first of all we have to convert in the format of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So see, the given differential equation solution. The given differential equation, that is x square or 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx is equal to cot x dx. So now how we can find out dy by dx? So in this equation, given equation, suppose we are going to divide by 1 plus x square dx. So this result will be dy by dx plus 2x whole upon 1 plus x square with y now is equal to cot of x. So this is the format of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So when you will compare from this general term, means dy by dx plus py is equal to q, you will get p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square and q is equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. So this is the value of q and this is p. Now we have to find out integrating factor, integration over e to the power p dx. So see, integrating factor will be means if is equal to e to the power integration over p dx. So e to the power integration of p means 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Now when you will consider 1 plus x square as t, so 1 by t dt result is log of t. So e to the power log of 1 plus x square and its result will be 1 plus x square. So integrating factor is 1 plus x square. I am writing here 1 plus x square. This is the integrating factor. So now we have to multiply integrating factor by from this equation, given equation, dy by dx plus py is equal to q format. In this equation when you will multiply 1 plus x square, so 1 plus x square, this is the integrating factor, and we are going to multiply dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square y is equal to cot of x. When you will multiply 1 plus x square, right hand term denominator part will cancel out. Now this is the differentiation of 1 plus x square times y d by dx of, this is the result of d by dx of 1 plus x square with y. This is cot x. Now we have to operate integration sign left and right. So what you will get the result? The result will be y times 1 plus x square integration over cot of x dx. So after operating integration sign d by dx of 1 plus x square y is equal to dx is equal to integration over cot of x dx. Now 1 plus x square y, see 1 plus x square y, so this is the result of 1 plus x square with y and integration over cot of x dx, and now y times 1 plus x square is equal to its result, you know, log of mod of sine of x now plus c. Now y will be equal to, y we can write y is equal to log of mod of sine of x whole upon 1 plus x square plus c times 1 plus x square power minus 1. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. See, required general solution of given differential equation. Now this question is completed. See, now come to the next question. The next question is question number 11. Question number 11. Now see, question number 11. Now question number 11 is y dx plus x minus y square dy is equal to 0. Now what we can write? So if you will solve dy by dx, so dy by dx we can write with negative sign x minus y square and y. When you will calculate or cross multiply, you will get same result. So this one also we can write dx upon dy is equal to minus x minus y square upon y. So dx upon dy is equal to minus x upon y and plus y. So dx upon dy plus 1 by y with x is equal to y. See, this is the format of dx upon dy plus rx is equal to s, and you know r and s are the function of y or constant. So when you will compare, what you will get the result? R is equal to 1 upon y and s is equal to y. So we have to find out integrating factor. So integrating factor will be equal to IF integrating factor that is equal to e to the power integration over p times dy, and this one we can write integration over 1 upon y dy, and 1 upon y integration you know that is log of y. So integration of log of mod of y, and now its result will be y. So integrating factor will be equal to y, and now we have to multiply integrating factor from this equation, given equation format. This is consider equation 1. So dx upon dy means y times dx upon dy plus 1 upon y, x is equal to y times y. Now you will see, when you will multiply y times dx upon dy plus x is equal to y square. Now this is the differentiation of d by dy of xy, d by dy of xy is equal to y square. Now we have to integrate. So integration result with respect to dy, so operate integration with respect to dy again. Now what you will get the result? Result will be, see, result will be x times y is equal to y cube by 3 now plus c. So xy is equal to y cube by 3 plus c, where c is the constant of integration, and now x we can write, x is equal to, we can write y square by 3 plus c times y to the power minus 1. So this is the value of x in terms of y. You can also write, or c upon y also you can write. So c upon y, required general solution of differential equation given differential equation. Now this is completed solution. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 13. Question number 13 is, solve differential equation dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x, y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. So in this question we can find out general solution, also we can find out particular solution with the help of y is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 3. So now see, the given differential equation, the given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x is of the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. And now when you will compare, you can get the values of p and q. On comparing, you will get p is equal to 2 times tan x and q is equal to sin x. Now in next step we will find out integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration over p times dx. So e to the power integration over 2 tan x, means 2 is outside, and tan x now dx, and its result is log of sec x. So e to the power log of mod of sec x, and 2 time is here, so log sec square x dx, sec square x, and log m to the power n, formula you know, n log m. So e to the power log x, result is sec square x. See, means integrating factor result is sec square x. Also you can write minus cos square x with the help of log of minus time log of mod of cos x. Now we have to multiply this integrating factor in this equation. So what you will get the result? So sec square x dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sec square x into sin x. Now you will see this whole term is the differentiation of d by dx of sec square x time y, or you can write y into sec square x, because you know when you will differentiate 2 times sec x into tan x, result you will get same. So sec square x time sin x, you know this is also the calculation of sec x into tan x. Now we have to operate integration sign on both the side, so result will be, see, result you will get integration over d by dx of y time sec square x is equal to dx is equal to integration over sec x time tan x now dx. Now see, again I am repeating or writing these steps. Means, see, this is the result of y time sec square x, result is equal to, its integration is sec x dx, sec x plus c. Now what we can write about y? So y result we can write, or y is equal to, we can write cos of, or sec square x upon sec square x plus c times sec square, or c times 1 upon sec square x. So y is equal to 1 upon sec x plus c upon sec square x. Now y we can write cos of x plus cos square x times c, and you know y is equal to 0, then x is equal to pi by 3. So 0 is equal to, x means cos pi by 3, cos pi by 3 means cos 60, result is 1 by 2, also this result will be 1 by 4 c. So c result, c value will be minus 2. After solving you will get the values of c, that is minus 2. So 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 will cancel out. Now you can put the values of c in this given equation, then the equation will be y is equal to cos x plus cos square x, or minus 2 times cos square x. This is the required particular solution. Required particular solution of differential equation Now this topic is, or this question is completed. See, now come to the next question. The next question is question number 15. Question number 15 is, now question number 15 is dy by dx minus 3 times cot of x y is equal to sin 2x, and given that y is equal to 2 when x is equal to pi by 2. So now, given differential equation, first of all we have to write. So given differential equation is of the form of dy by dx or plus 3 times minus 3 cot x y is equal to sine of 2x, and after comparing from its general term, so you will get p is equal to minus 3 times cot x and q you will get sine 2x. So find out integrating factor. What will be result of integrating factor? E to the power p time dx. So result will be e to the power integration over minus 3 cot of x dx, and you will get the result cot of x integration, you know, log of sin x. So minus 3 times log of sin x, so e to the power minus 3 log of mod of sin x, so its result will be sine of x to the power minus 3, means sine of x to the power sine x to the power minus 3. So its result we can write sine of x to the whole power minus 3. Now this is the integrating factor. Now we have to multiply this factor to this equation 1. So result will be sin x to the power minus 3 dy by dx minus 3 times cot x y is equal to sin 2x into sin x to the power minus 3. Now this is the differentiation of